Welcome back to today's More Report on Tuesday the 12th of July with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Looking at cable now, and this is the big mover of the day. We've had the announcement yesterday, or the news yesterday, that Theresa May was going to be the next UK Prime Minister, and the political risk has been reduced. Therefore, this sort of takes out a month, maybe 2 months worth of political wranglings at the top of the UK politics in terms of the Conservative Party leadership, takes that out of the equation, and therefore we can start to get on with running the country again. That's certainly a help for sterling today. And we're seeing a jump of 130, 140 ticks. So far, we're seeing this move unwinding some of the weakness. I don't necessarily think this is going to be the beginning of a sustained sterling recovery. I think this is likely to be a near-term blip. Momentum indicators, although, are sort of starting to react a bit more positively. RSI has ticked higher, back above 30. Slight uptick on the stochastics and MACD lines, but yeah, I see this this congestion on sterling as probably going to be sort of too much really for the bulls to really get through. I think that we're going to see this congestion around 32 figure. The spike low was 31.18, but 32 figure is around about where you saw the majority of the selling of congestion last week or the week before. So that's around this sort of 32 figure level. So yeah, I think that this is going to be a fairly near-term jump higher, and I think it's likely to find a bit of a struggle around that 32 figure level up towards maybe 33.40, which is the reaction high that we saw on the 4th of July. But for now, we've got to go with this recovery, and you could also argue that you've got a little bit of a sort of a base pattern really, 30.50 being the neckline. You can measure that back down to sort of 28.50. So that's what, 200 ticks. So that gives you 32.50. That's bang in the middle of this congestion, isn't it? So I'd say that's a fairly reasonable sort of upside target for the near term for this little recovery to sort of play out to. You've already had a bit of a pullback to the neckline, finding support around that neckline and then pushing higher again, so that's a positive. Momentum indicators on the near term also positive. It's just that I don't necessarily see this as being a sort of a sustained long-term move or recovery, and I think that it will sort of be scuppered around this congestion between 32 and to be honest, you've got up towards 35.30 is the top of that congestion. So there is scope in that move. But as I said, 32.50 would be sort of a realistic target for a rebound recovery. And I think that's probably around about where you're going to see the next sell signal then. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.